Dust on my boots in a cold highway, neon lights but I still feel great. Truck stop coffee, midnight rain, every mile just calls your name. Mama's porch in the old dirt road, Friday fires where the river flowed. Now I'm lost in a city crowd, smiling faces but it ain't my town. And every sunset hits me hard, like a country song on an old guitar. I'm missing home tonight, missing those southern skies, the sound of crickets singing loud, and my daddy saying make us proud. These lonely roads keep rolling on, but my heart's still where I'm from. Yeah, I've been gone too long, Lord, I'm missing home. Got a photograph taped to the dash, little memories from a life gone past. Grandpa's hat and a fishing line, fields of gold in summertime. Sometimes I swear I hear that train rolling through my mind again, like it's calling me back where I belong, back where the nights feel warm. But tonight I ain't crying anymore. Oh, tonight I'm turning up that radio. Hey, raise 'em up high, let the taillight shine. We're singing old hometown songs tonight. Boots hit the floor when the fiddle plays, turning heartbreak into brighter days. Whoa, even miles away I still believe home lies inside of me. So crank that band and let it roll. Country soul never lets go. I'm carrying home tonight in every star neon light, with the boys singing way too loud and memories running wild somehow. Yeah, these roads made me strong, and one day I'll be coming home. Till then I'll sing this song for the place where I belong. Dust on my boots, fire in my soul, no matter